Here we find ourselves today in Connect Mobile Solutions in our Dunmurray shop. Just done our first wee job of the day. As you can see, it's a F770 2-channel Thinkware dashcam. We've installed it into a BMW 640 diesel. Lovely car. To the left of the rear view mirror, wiring as minimal as showing. I'll just give you a wee view of that from the outside. That's us to the right of the mirror as we look at it head on. And our back camera, as you can imagine, is not easy got to, but there it is. Again, minimal wire showing. It's been a 2-door, lovely car, and showing you close up of a rear view camera. If this is something that you would like, once again contact us, Connect Mobile Solutions, either Belfast or Mahara.